All right, let me show you some really cool things about this waist pack here. Now, this waist bag here has more of a survivalist tactical feel to it than your standard everyday waist pack. Right here, you have the Velcro that you can attach different things to. It has these little loops here, this little molly type thing. You have a pocket right up front. Has a keychain holder. You can clip your keys right on that. I really like the durability of the ropes here. It's got this little rubber coating on it. And then this one here too, it has these extra little molly loops on the sides here. So you can clip additional things, put a flashlight in there, something along that line. You open up the front here. Got to check this out. You have these stretchy molly type panels. You could easily fit like a flashlight in there, a magazine, something like that. Over here you have like a double-sized one. But check this out. Let's say you had something like your magazine or something like that in there. This rips right out. If you wanted this on the outside, there you go. Now it can stick right to the outside. How cool is that, guys? This is great. Easily can go right back in. Look inside here. Another secret little pocket, zippered pocket. Things has a lot of cool little features to it. Want another little hidden compartment? Right here in the back. You have yet another pocket. Has this nice durable clasp to it. Quick release, of course. Wearing it around your waist, not your thing. You can wear this as a crossbody. Could go right underneath your jacket. This thing is great. If whether you're going out hiking, camping, doing some survivalist training, just want to be able to put your piece in it while you're out. You have it on you for your everyday carry. This thing can handle it. It's got a lot of space in there, a lot of room. You can wear it as a crossbody like this. You can wear it around your waist. Check out this waist pack from 1TG Tactical. It's a great piece of equipment to have.